Today we are doing the least used tube station in every London borough. And note that the following 6 London boroughs have no tube stations in them: Bexley, Bromley, Croydon, Kingston upon Thames, Lewisham and Sutton. So starting off in alphabetical order with Barking and Dagenham, and it is Upney. In Barnet it is Mill Hill East, and I have actually used this station but it is always very quiet there. In Brent it is South Kenton, in Camden it is Hampstead. In Ealing it is North Ealing, which is really located in East Ealing. In Enfield it is Cockfosters, which is really surprising because it is the end of the line. And I have used this station many times before. In Greenwich it is North Greenwich. Only because it is the only tube station in the borough of Greenwich. There are 2 stations, neither of which are entirely in Hackney. And of the 2 the least used is Manor House, the other one being Old Street. In Hammersmith and Fulham it is Goldhawk Road, not surprising as it's one of the stations just before the end of the line that tend to be quite quiet. In Haringey it is Highgate. In Harrow it is West Harrow. In Havering it is Upminster Bridge, again a station just before the end of the line. In Hillingdon it is Ickenham. In Hounslow it is Boston Manor. Though Boston Manor station is partly in Ealing, so the least used station entirely in Hounslow is Osterley. In Islington it is Arsenal, which I find quite surprising as it is the closest station to Emirates Stadium and surely the passengers for the football games contribute to Arsenal station's passenger statistics. Anyways, the least used tube station in Kensington and Chelsea is Latimer Road. In Lambeth it is Lambeth North, right before the end of the line. In Merton it is Wimbledon Park, penultimate stop on the line again. In Newham it is West Ham, but only if you exclude the DLR and C2C National Rail passengers. If you include them, then the least used station in Newham is Plaistow. In Redbridge it is Fairlop. In Richmond upon Thames it is Kew Gardens, another stop 1 away from the end of the line. In Southwark it is Borough. In Tower Hamlets it is Bromley by Bow. In Waltham Forest it is Walthamstow Central, but if you include the London Overground passengers, then the least used station is Leytonstone. In Wandsworth it is Southfields. In the city of Westminster it is Royal Oak, and finally in the city of London it is Mansion House. So that is every London borough's least used tube station. Come back for a video on the least used national rail station in every London borough, and maybe one of least used station per county. See you then.